the green Hornet over here. We got the green Hornet, a thug, and Big Don. Nah, third gear wheelie is impossible. I don't know how he does this. Take me to the promised land, baby. Take me to where the little boys become grown men. We're gonna have Tyler wheeling by the end of this day. Tyler, look back, Tyler. Look back. Tyler. You ready? You ready? This is what you learn for real? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. No way. Nah, it just came off. So it was loose. Is the bike still on? You got it. Go. It's definitely loose. You gotta stay on top of shit like that, bro. Nah, yeah, you just gotta buy. You might as well just buy a chain, bro. But how about only order you the chain today? I know. I gotta get used to that. second gear. One day I'll hold it, bro. One day. Second. Try third. Hell no, nigga. Okay. Turn around. Nah, 30 doesn't come up enough, bro. Nah, I think 30 too much. It's too, yeah, 30 is too hard for me. My bike don't got enough power like that. Nah, I'm telling you. Cause look how easy it is in second. Scary, bro. Foot. Go to second, bro. Me too, bro. Don't worry. Start with the little one. Yeah, I am making it go too fast. This is big. I'm scared. Yo. Yeah, I heard my ears. Probably because I think I know how to control it a little better. Yeah! Yeah, I'm gonna give you the GoPro. I'm gonna give you the GoPro. After this. Let me try. Starting to get that front wheel up, Tyler. They're coming up an inch or two. In other words, he's saying, don't touch his fucking bike. Huh?
I said, in other words, don't touch this fucking bike.